In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Pinterest personal account to a business account. If you're looking to unlock tools like analytics, brand features, and advertising, switching to a business account is the fastest way to do it, and the process only takes a moment. Start by heading to the Pinterest website in your browser or opening the Pinterest app. Make sure you're signed in to the personal account you want to convert so the change applies to the right profile. Once Pinterest loads, go to your profile. On desktop, you'll find your profile picture in the top right corner. Click it to open your profile page. On mobile, your profile icon is typically at the bottom. Tap it to get to the same place. This puts you in the right spot to access the business tools. On your profile page, look for the option that says Convert to Business. It may appear as a clear button or link near your profile details. Click Convert to Business to begin the switch. This option is designed to keep your existing content intact, so your pins, boards, and followers stay exactly where they are. You're simply unlocking additional capabilities on top of what you already have. Pinterest will then guide you to a conversion screen. Here, click Upgrade to confirm. This action upgrades your account to a business account. You may notice a brief confirmation and then see new features appear, such as access to analytics and a business home view. From here on, you'll retain the same login and profile, but gain the insights and tools that help you understand performance and grow your presence. A couple of quick tips as you go. If you don't see the Convert to Business option, you might already be using a business account, or the button could be temporarily hidden due to a layout update. Try refreshing the page, updating the app, or checking from a desktop browser. If the site looks different, use the search bar in settings to look for business and confirm your status. Also, note that converting is free and you can still use Pinterest the way you always have. The main difference is the visibility into how your content performs and the ability to run promotions if you choose. That's all there is to it. Open Pinterest, go to your profile, choose Convert to Business, and click Upgrade. Once you're done, take a moment to explore your new analytics and familiarize yourself with the business tools now available on your account. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.